It's that new wave. Future Hendrix. Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so today we got two MMQ 2.0s I done mashed up. Now, I call these the twin sisters right here. You see the back? FRT is on there. Let's just see what they do.
Oh, that's your best friend, I'm trying to fuck with you. First met the bitch, they say they real sisters. I don't give a fuck if they were real sisters. Fuck around with me, trying to dodge bullets. Serve a pack of chickens and a dog business. Fuck around with me, trying to dodge bullets. Fuck around with me, I fuck twin sisters.
The twin sisters are butter honey, man. Just like Future said, I don't give a fuck if they was twin sisters, man.